Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I am starting today's video off with no makeup because today we're gonna do a first impressions and get ready with me using some products from a brand that just launched today. This is a brand called Merit. It is brand new to the beauty scene, and this brand was created by the founder of Who What Wear, Catherine Power. She has a skincare brand as well, but this is her new makeup line, and they were so kind to reach out in advance before the launch to send me these products to try out. And so I wanted to give you guys a first impressions video of the packaging, the products themselves, how they swatch, and then the application. If you guys are new to my channel, I do a ton of beauty reviews, and so I will link my beauty playlist down below. But I'm really excited because Merit just seems like such a cool brand. It says on the box, well-edited essentials that have earned a place on your vanity, responsible luxury that is safe for body, skin, and planet. And this packaging is 100% recyclable. So this is a very intentional brand. A lot of these products are gonna be things that you should be able to use regardless of what kind of look you're going for. They're supposed to be very versatile and also just really easy to use. So I'm really excited. I love their branding. This gold on this gorgeous blue. So I'm gonna unbox this, show you guys all of the products, the packaging, and then we'll do a first impressions trial of everything that's in here. So this is the box. Inside of the box, it says less is more. And then here is a little info card about Merit. And then under the info cards is this cute bag. I've got to believe that this is not a bag that will come with every single purchase of Merit, but I think because I'm just on the early PR list, they put in this really cute bag. So this is the bag, and I just think this is so adorable. It's like this little velvety bag. And inside the bag, we have quite a few things. So the first product inside of the bag is the Flush Balm. This is a cheek color. And again, the packaging is really nice. It says you swipe it onto cheeks and blend in with your fingers. So this is a kind of cream blush. So what the packaging looks like. I love it. It says Merit. And then you twist this off and it says beautiful, kind of peachy shade. And I'll just do a little swatch right there. You guys can see it's very light, very blendable, very hydrating. So this is what the balm looks like though. Really pretty color. I love any sort of cream blush. It's super easy to blend out, and it's just a really natural wash of color. So I'm really excited to try this. I love this color already. All of the packaging is so good. I should have showed you guys this before I opened one up, but the packaging is beautiful. It's just like the box. It's beautiful blue. This is the Day Glow Highlighting Balm, and the packaging again, so pretty. And this one is in the shade Cava. The other one was in the shade Beverly Hills. And this is what the highlighter looks like. So it's this beautiful white. The top has the Merit logo on it, and pop this off. Ooh. This is the highlighter. So pretty. I'm gonna swatch this. Ooh. Very like balmy. Like you would think this would be super flashy, but it's actually a really pretty creamy consistency. I thought this was gonna be way more like flashy, but you blend it out and it is just so natural looking. I love that. So yeah, this is the shade though. Really pretty. I love that. Gorgeous. The next thing, this is the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick, and this is in the shade Bisque. So I think this might be a concealer. It says Complexion Perfecting. This is the packaging. Everything is very nice, very luxurious. It feels great. And then you pop this off. Ooh, that is pretty. And you have this gorgeous gold casing. Really pretty. And I think this should be the right shade for me. Oh yeah. That is pretty. Very smooth and creamy consistency, and then this is a twist, so you twist it up. But this feels incredible. This feels like the nicest product so far. Like this packaging feels really good. The next thing, this is the brush, the blending brush. So this, I believe, will go with the complexion stick. So this is the brush. Really gorgeous. I love this matte black with Merit on there, and then it's a very fluffy brush, but it's dense enough to where I feel like it's gonna really blend out that complexion stick nicely. Love that. The next thing is a clean lash lengthening mascara, and this is in the shade Perfect Black. Ooh, the packaging. I've never seen a mascara look like this. How gorgeous is that? Now that is, it's luxurious. It really is. This is what the front looks like. The logo, that's luxury. If you just want to treat yourself, this is gorgeous. And we twist this off here, and that is a nice wand. That's a really, really nice mascara wand. Looks like a very dark black mascara. Oh my gosh, I just love this packaging. I've never seen a mascara look like this. This is the nicest mascara I feel like I've ever seen. And then the last thing in the box is a shade stick, a tinted lip oil in the shade Au Naturel. Again, gorgeous packaging. This is the shade, this gorgeous like peachy nude shade, and then the logo on the top. So you guys can see that all of these products are so beautiful and nice and just really easy to throw into a bag. A lot of these you can apply using your fingers. So I am really excited to give these a try. All right, I've got you guys zoomed in so you can see, like I said, I don't have anything on my skin except for my moisturizer and my sunscreen. So I am barefaced and very excited to try these out. I'm gonna start with the Complexion stick. I'm not positive it's a foundation. It feels like more of a kind of concealer, but the good news is that my skin is doing relatively well. So I feel like all I'm gonna really need to do is spot conceal where I have acne scarring. So my cheek areas, kind of around my nose, and then maybe under my eyes. So I'm going to take this right here, and I'm going to apply this in the areas that I feel like I might need some coverage. So around the eyes, cheek area for sure. It's really creamy. It's going on like butter, which is nice. This is not a drying stick. So that's what I'm gonna apply. I hope that that's enough, but I'm gonna take the brush now and blend it out. And this actually blends out so nicely. It just melts into the skin actually, which is really, really nice. It looks so natural. I love this, especially for under the eyes. It doesn't dry out under eyes at all, but it just melts into the skin. This is honestly so hydrating. I feel like it just evened out my complexion a lot actually. So this is what it looks like blended out. Really, really pretty. I love the finish on it. It's super natural looking, not heavy at all. I do not feel like I have anything on my skin. You guys saw how much I applied. I'm gonna try to build up just this area a little bit where I've gotten some more like darker spots, and then kind of tap my brush into it rather than swipe it across my face just to kind of cover this up. But you can build this up to some extent. You're not gonna get a full coverage with this because it is a very blendable product, but I feel like this is the most no makeup product I could think of. It literally looks like I don't have anything on my skin. It doesn't feel like I have anything on my skin. This is just gorgeous, and it applied so well. And it's not even like a matte coverage, so you still have that glow. Like you can still see my skin underneath, but it just evened everything out beautifully. So very, very happy with the way that this looks. I also really love this brush, I will say. It is perfect for that complexion stick. So I typically wear bronzer, and I did not get a bronzer from Merit. I'm not sure if they have one or if they're gonna launch one as of now. So I'm gonna use my cream bronzer since we're doing mostly cream products. This is my favorite cream bronzer. This was a splurge of mine. This is the Chanel bronzer, and I just adore this bronzer. So I barely use it because I just try to keep it really nice. So I'm gonna dip in here and just apply a little bit of color to my cheeks. And these cream products are all working together really, really nicely. Everything's looking very natural, almost just like my skin is enhanced. It doesn't even look like I'm wearing makeup right now, which is amazing. So I just add a little bit of color, nothing crazy. I love how natural this Chanel bronzer looks on. It's just my favorite. It's my guilty pleasure. I cannot lie. It's really good as well. Next, I'm going to apply the blush. So this is in the shade Beverly Hills. I love a cream blush. Look how gorgeous that color is. So I am going to smile and just apply this on my cheeks, and then I'm gonna blend it kind of up my cheekbone, but I like to keep it mostly focused here, and then I'll blend it out with my fingers. You honestly like don't even really need to blend it out with your fingers because it's so creamy. It works so well with that complexion stick. And then I'm gonna put just a little bit on my nose here. You definitely need to blend that out. So I'm gonna take my finger and pat it into the skin and work it up here and on my nose. And yeah, this is just so natural, so seamless. My skin looks just really healthy. It looks like I'm not wearing really any makeup, and even looking up close, it doesn't look like I have any makeup on. It literally looks like my skin just looks like this. And isn't that the goal? Isn't that what we're all trying to achieve? That looks so nice. I love that shade. Now I'm gonna do highlight. All of these beauty products are very easy to use. As you can see, I'm blending stuff out with my finger. The foundation complexion stick went on so fast. I feel like whenever I'm putting on a full coverage foundation, I'm like blending out forever. But you guys saw that complexion stick went on so quick with the brush. So now I'm gonna do highlight. This is the highlight in Cava. This is the shade, this really beautiful pearlescent. And I'm just going to swipe. Really hydrating, creamy. That's gorgeous. And then I'm gonna do this side. I love the feel of this highlight. I cannot lie, this may be one of my favorite cream highlights I've ever tried. Do you guys see that? It's so good. Now I'm gonna do a little bit on my nose, and I think for my nose, I'm gonna just swirl it on my finger and then apply it. I like to apply to my nose, not just directly with the stick, because I feel like it gets a little crazy. And then I'm gonna do the inner corners of my eyes. This is so good. This is so good. If you have dry skin too, you're gonna actually love this. My skin feels so hydrated. I also like to apply my highlight to my eyelid. And then a little bit to the top of the lip here. My skin looks so hydrated and healthy and amazing and glowy. And this is incredible. I'm obsessed. I love that. I mean, look at this highlight, guys. I mean, that is just next level highlight right there. So really pretty. It's gorgeous. I love it. So I'm actually gonna put a little bit of something on my eyes because I'm gonna film another video after this, and I typically don't film without an eye look. So I'm gonna quickly apply some eyeshadow, and then I will do the mascara next. All right, so I just quickly did an eye look, very simple, and then I curled my lashes. So now I'm gonna apply the mascara, and I'm kind of the most excited about this because the packaging, it's so good. Wow, you guys, look at the mascara. This length is so good. I'm gonna do this side. Great length. Wow, I'm sold. I don't know, it just looks so good, and it just went on so well. Separated the lashes, gave great length. The wand is a really good wand. That looks so good. I'm honestly very pleased with this mascara. I'm really happy that I liked it because I would have been really bummed if it looked like this and I didn't like the actual formula or the brush. It's so good. I love it. Ah, looks so good. Now to finish off the look, I am going to apply my lip color. This is the shade Au Naturel, and this is a lip oil. So it should be super hydrating. Wow, that is so natural, but also the perfect wash of color. Okay, this is the final look. Lip color amazing. I love this nude lip. It looks so good. It has that kind of like shiny look to it, but it's not glossy, so it's not sticky. But then it has that great lip tint to it. So if you wanted to get one of the more like berry or pink shades, it's not gonna be a super bold lip. It's gonna almost like blend into your natural lip color and enhance it. I think this makeup look looks so good. So this is the final look using all Merit Beauty products. I love the mascara. The blush looks so good. My makeup just looks so good and I love it. I just think that this is the most approachable beauty brand. Like, I think everything is super easy to use, whether you are experienced with makeup or not. Everything is very just, I don't know, user friendly, and everything just looks good. I feel like I honestly could not have messed this look up because each product just worked so well. I didn't even have to do anything. The mascara, just my lashes feel so fluttery and light. They look so natural still, but they're still very enhanced by the mascara. And then this lip color is just the perfect nude lip. I just love this look. But those are my first impressions of the brand Merit. I'm so excited to see what they have down the line to launch. Everything that I have received, you guys saw me use, and it's just really, really good, really user-friendly, very natural looking, but still, I just have this glow. I'm obsessed, and honestly, I don't feel like I have any makeup on. That's what's so great, is that everything is so lightweight. The complexion stick is incredible. The highlight, it's just all so good. So I cannot recommend Merit to you guys more. There isn't a product that I got that I didn't like. So that is my first impressions review and test of Merit Beauty. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I will link all the products down below in the description box if you want to check it out. But if you found this review helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know if you try out Merit or end up getting any of their products. If you are new to my channel and you want to stick around and subscribe for some more beauty videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you back, and I will see you guys in my next one very, very soon. Bye guys!